Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the CAMDUCK security camera smoke detector all in one. We're going to go over what's inside of it and what it has, the features, and then I'll do the installations, and then probably gonna use it and then do a review for you guys. All right, so let's get started. All right, so CAMDUCK, so it'll come in a box like this. This is a smoke detector cam with remote view, white, new in China, so made in China. CAMDUCK smoker battery, and it 128 gigabyte as a memory card. So let's see. So once we open it, we see the user manual and high-end hidden camera expert. So if this camera, you can use it for to monitor your baby, or if you have pets inside the house, you can do that as well too. Or sometimes if you're suspecting your wife or your husband of cheating on you or something, you can also use this to to investigate as well too, to record them without them knowing, because it's a hidden camera, which is the best part about this camera. So from the pictures right here, I'll tell you, get to know the Wi-Fi camera, all the goodies, hard reset, and it teaches you, it shows you how to mount as well too. And the instructions here, it's both for the Android and for the iPhone. So it tells you what apps you need to download and to access it and to get started. All right, so make sure we read the manual before we do any kind of installations. All right, so I guess this is the camera. And this is inside of it. Non-replacement battery. Do not remove battery. Please note, battery positive and negative. Has the 2 wires here. Let's see. The batteries, I guess we need to pull this to have it activated, or to turn it on. Right. So what else is inside the box? So you come with this USB type A and USB type C. And this is the mounts, that screw mount. It does come with the, they have different types of cameras. And this one, I got the one with the micro SD card. You can buy it without if you don't need it. And then here, I guess they gave us this. It comes with this, so after you want to remove the micro SD card, you just put it in here and you put it in your computer, and you can see the data and you can transfer it. All right. right, so that's pretty much it. Maybe that go by the way, put it back in there like that. This what it is. As you can see, I have the that's where my smoke detector is at. So I'm gonna remove the back plate, and then I'll put in the CAMDUCK plate, and then we can do the install. So I removed my old plate, just 2 screws, and I'm reusing the old screw as well too. So remove the old plate, put the new plate back on, and then just screw this thing back, and then that's what it looks like. All right, so now I'm just gonna install the camera to it. Since I'm not mounting this like permanently, so but if you are, you can do with the hard wire. On the back of the camera here, it has 2 wires, and it has, right, so usually the hot and the neutral, and you just connect to according to the hot and neutral of your wires, and then you should be good to go. But in this case, I'm just going to use the battery for now. And okay, so it's finally onto the ceiling, and now we're just gonna test it. Okay, so right now I'm viewing through my my phone, and as you can see, I'm sitting in my hallway, and we can move this camera around. I think that's the so you can see that's my hallway right there, and you can turn it, right? And then you can take pictures of it, photo success, and then you can also record. If you're watching this live, you can also record it as well too. So you can see stop that video success. I'm gonna scoot in a little bit so you can see me here. I think that's the maximum that it can go. Alright, so I'm gonna sit on the other side so you can see. So this is the hallway. So again, I just do it to the hallway, but you can install it to wherever you want to install it. Okay, so you can put it in the bedroom, the hallway, the entrance, wherever, but I'm gonna sit on this side. All right, so here is the when you open the app, this is what you see. And if you click on shop, user manual, contact us, for example. So if we click on shop, it's going to take you to the website where CAMDUCK shop do have many different other products as well. So just in case if you're interested, you can see here they have like outlets right here, and this is actually like hidden socket camera. And so people wouldn't think there's a camera in there, but it is. So and again, this is a smoke detector one, and they actually do have like the one in the charger as well too. So these are really neat. These are pretty, you can buy all of the depending on what you need, but there's a hidden camera somewhere in there, and then for you. So these are just the review that they get from the satisfied customers, like see 5 stars all the way. And if you go back to the device, this is the front menu. So if you click on here, it would news, and then it was album, and you click on here, it would have like all the savings that you that you click save earlier, and the SD card files and the settings. So right here, if I want to go into the account itself and view it, and then you see it. Because right now, earlier when I was testing it, actually mounted onto the ceiling, and the battery icon is kind of low. So you can see here now is I'm charging it, and I'm kind of like reviewing at the same time, but earlier it stopped on because it's out of the battery. And this camera has 4 megapixels. You can see right here the setting that I have, and also it has a 1080p. So depending on whichever, most of us will, want to be on the higher resolutions, unless we want to conserve battery or something, or the space on our SD card, then we would go with the 1080p. Right. So if I would have flipped this, the camera on a larger landscape view, and then then I think we can maximize it out. Okay, so you can see it right here, and if I put in a PTZ, and it's pretty much a zoom options, I can when I click on this, it's going to rotate around. You can see that it's rotating around. So here I just have it on my iPad Pro, and I'm charging it right now, but as we click on it, it rotates. So, and you can view this remotely. Okay, so you can track your, like I said, if you're, for your loved ones, your babies or your pet, or if you're suspecting somebody, or you can this as a spy camera as well too. So nobody would know unless they're familiar with the product itself. But yeah, that's pretty neat. So functions, and like I was saying earlier, you can take the photo and you can snap it, and then it tells you that it's a success. All right, so once you click on the SD file, it's going to take you this one. You click on normal recording, and it's going to have all these files. So these are on the camera itself. So if you want to save a specific file, then you got to click on it, and you got to click download, and it'll download, it'll save to the SD card. Okay, so instead of downloading it, you can also play it from the phone itself too. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware of that. And that's me setting up the camera outside under my patio. You're gonna see I got the solar panels there. And so yeah, you can actually play from there. You don't have to. Yep, that's me in the office in my room, trying to charge the camera. So yeah, this is pretty neat. So right, so if you wanted to know where all the saved pictures is from, it's gonna be in the album, and that's here. Here's a few videos that we recorded earlier, and also the images too that I took. It's here. So that's how you get to the images, and then we can try to play back one of the videos here. Let's see this one. Yeah, kind of upside down, you can see, but we can always rotate it. Okay, so after I completely charge up the camera, I set it up in there, and as you can see, it's recording here. So if there's motion, I also said that when there's motions, it should be able to start recording. Let's see if I go inside here, my kitchens, and if I just pop back out, and if they see something, will it record? Earlier, it detects, and it started recording, but I guess now it's already recorded, so it's continued to do the recording itself. But as you can see, it looks just like a regular smoke detector, and nobody would notice, right? Then you can check up on your kids, your pet. I'm just putting it in the hallway, but you can put it in your bedroom too. So I don't know, due to privacy, maybe you might not want to put in your bedroom, but so as you can see, I just got a notification says that detections detected. You guys have any questions regarding about the installations, the setup,
Feel free to leave it a comment below. But as far as the manual, is pretty straightforward. As long as you follow the instruction manual, you should be able to be okay with it. So basically, download the app, and in the instruction, it tells you exactly what app to download as well for iOS or Android. And then you're gonna have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. And then when you connect to your Wi-Fi, it tells you to go look for the CAMDUCK, and then you get that and into the password, and then you go back to your Wi-Fi and you say that you connected everything. So it's not rocket science. It's pretty easy. But however, if you guys have any questions regarding it, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe. See you next time.